On my hat. Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. On my hat over here you see a beautiful lake, very beautiful natural pristine lake. It's called Maureen Lake. This one over here is another beautiful pristine clean lake in Langford. I think this one called the Langford Lake, and as you can see it's really beautiful. I was actually checking out the water, and the quality of the water seems to be better than any other quality of water around in other lakes. I don't smell any fish, which is really good. I don't smell any algae, which might not be the best for us. Not all algae are good. Chlorella is good, but when chlorella turns to spirulina and becomes half animal, then the rest of the algae are also very similar. Most of the rest of the algae, it's not always good for humans because they do have waste products and they are poisonous. That's how the plant is trying to protect itself, which is kind of natural because everything around us has a self-defense mechanism. All the plants, all the animals, even minerals, especially humans. Normally humans got humanly right self-protection abilities as well as methods with it, simply by supporting what is actually good instead of supporting what is actually bad or wrong or not good. That means harmful. So now I like to share two things. One is the tip of the day for air mattress lovers. When you see this hole, I just figured this out yesterday or before yesterday. I was trying to put these needles on over here, then to put these in here, but they didn't really work because the air was always getting released. So now I figured out a method. When I push this one on here, I keep it on, then I blow it. I can't blow it right now because I only got two hands, and that's just like perfect because there's a tiny valve in there, and the air what flows through here, we push that off, and then once you release it, the little valve, the little tongue, we close the hole. So that's one tip of the day, which I haven't really realized before. This is probably also good for when you're using different types of pumps, not only hand pumps but electric pumps. It should work in the same way. This valve system here is it's pretty straightforward. Over there I'm just using this attachment here, and it has a valve system in there, so that is not a problem at all. The air will stay inside whatever you blow in there, as long as the little cap underneath of the valve system is actually working properly. Another tip of the day, believe it or not, but I reached with my research results, I reached to Super 14, and now we will reach to Super 14 together after I will share this information with you about Super 14. I'm gonna change the camera. So Super 14 is a very special plant. It's probably one of the most commonly used plant to make something smell or taste very good. One of the most commonly used superfoods or herbs. This food is capable of healing respiratory infections in a matter of seconds when you drink it in the tea. This food can support the biological system to keep it clean. That means it will disinfect most of the germs and bacterial virus infections. This herb, when you're using it to inhale it or to drink it or even to eat it as is, it will also get rid of biological radiations which are not good for humans, since everything what is alive has a biological radiations, and all animalistic radiations are poisonous. And unfortunately humans also have animalistic radiations since the animals were infected them. This food, when you eat it as is, or drink it in the tea, or you steam it, you inhale it, you can also use it. In a steam room, which is a very commonly flavorable method, or in the saunas, or even in baths. So if you figured out from this information, if you already were able to figure out which superfood it is, the super 14, then you are probably a lovely utilizer or user of this product, natural product. I will wait a couple more seconds to give some more time for anyone who is thinking about which food this will be. Let's take a look at these amazing areas here. Here is got a couple of docks or stages over here, very similar to Denmark. In Copenhagen, you see this along the shoreline. I think it's in downtown. I haven't been there yet, but I've seen videos. It's a very similar vibe, very similar setup for humans to come and hang out on the dock, then go take a dip in the water. As you can see, this beautiful lake is right next to a very nice, small, cute, forest-like park. This park is next to the YMCA. Over there in the back, maybe you can see the sign. It says West Hills YMCA, YWCA too, probably that's the French version, in Langford, which is incredibly good because after you were enjoying the lake, you can always go and enjoy that amazing facility to support your well-being with steam sauna, dry sauna, jacuzzi, swimming pool, gyms, and all different types of other available sports or activities. So Super 14, which one is it? Let me give you a couple more hints. If you like sambuca or sambucha, I think it's called sambuca in Italian, it's an Italian drink, it's full of it. If you like margarita cocktail, I think margarita cocktail also has that in there. If you like analgesic, that means numbing or pain-killing lotions, usually most of them also have this incredible and truly beloved herb, superfood. Probably by now everybody knows about it. You can also make sodas. Back in the 50s, 60s, there were sodas made straight out of that, or wheat straight out of that, with natural infusions, just to keep humans really well. There's another hint. The name of this product is actually shares the same name, the same label, the same expression as where we humans are used to getting our financial resources from. Hi buddy. Good. Enjoying the lake? Hi. Good one.
Okay, come on. We gotta go.
Hey, Super 14, which one is Super 14? I don't know how else can I give you more hint about it. I will try to think some more ideas. Because every time when a human mind is thinking about something, then figures out something by itself, simply by being supported by information or hints about what's going on, then the human mind will be capable of remembering that specific information more, rather than those informations which we just hearing from something or someone. Of course, this plant is very green, so it's full of chlorophyll. It's also full of electrons, full of one of the best qualities and ratio-wise the best balanced nutrients, including vitamins as well as minerals. Super 14, now we are at 12 minutes. So now let's review Super 14. Oh, the place where the financial resources used to be produced, called in the same way. That's probably the biggest hint what I can provide. Actually, no, there's a bigger hint. The name of this product almost spelled like the word hint itself, except for one letter in the beginning of this word, which is the letter M, as magic or mother. After this, you probably already know it is the mint. In this case specifically, I'm thinking about spearmint or peppermint. And most of the times I think we use peppermint to make teas, or to use it as a respiratory disinfective product, when we're making tea out of it or when we are inhaling it. Spearmint is widely used in, I got it in my gum right now when I'm chewing. It is actually a spearmint flavored gum. They're both really good, of course, depending on the type of condition which might troubling humans. One or the other could help you more to make sure that you will remain well, physiologically, psychologically, as well as energetically. So the number 14 superfood is mint, spearmint or peppermint.